Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone unavailable with no timer or the timer not going down issue. You can check for solutions here. Way 1. Fix the issue with powerful iOS unlocker. First, you should get iTunes installed on the computer. Share iPhone Passcode Genius is designed to remove iPhone various types of lock screen. It can help fix the iPhone unavailable screen, no timer issue and restore it to factory settings. Just download it on the official website. Then install it on the computer. Now open the software. Click Unlock Lock Screen option. Hit the Start button. Connect your iPhone to the computer. It is better to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Click the Next button. Download firmware. Check the note message. Then click Unlock to remove the iPhone unavailable lock screen. Just wait for minutes. Your iPhone unavailable screen disappears. Way to restore unavailable iPhone with no timer via iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer and make it enter recovery mode. Open iTunes on your computer. You got the prompt to ask you update or restore the iPhone. Click Restore. Click Restore and Update to confirm. Well, iTunes is downloading the firmware package and restoring the iPhone to factory settings. Your iPhone has been restored to factory settings. Way 3. Erase iPhone unlocked screen. When you get the iPhone unavailable screen with timer not going down, tap Forgot Passcode option. Then tap Start iPhone Reset. OK, enter the linked Apple password. Tap Erase iPhone. After the iPhone is erased, you can set it up from the Hello screen. Way 4. Erase iPhone with iCloud Find My function. Open your computer and log into iCloud.com. Sometimes, you may encounter the two-factor authentication during the login process. OK, click the Find My option. Enter your Apple ID and password again. Well, select the unavailable iPhone. Click the Erase this device option. That's all for the video.